I live in Beijing, and over the past 4 days, I already took 2 tests as required by our community leaderships. And this is for the reason that the governments and the health officials wanted to make sure that anyone positive will be identified. And the only effective way is to push through this massive testing. Everyone should be included, no one should be left out. And then the health authorities will have a complete picture of the situation for Beijing, involving a total population of more than 23 million people. Now, only a very small quarter in the whole city of Beijing has been locked down because it has already been discovered and verified that there are positive cases. And in order to cut off the link of spreading to other neighborhoods or communities, this was the extreme measure that the government felt necessary to do. So far, communities and residents in Beijing are fully cooperating with the authorities, and I don't think there is any major inconveniences created, as we have heard about happening in Shanghai. Now, one thing to give the credit to the local authorities is that they already scrambled into action. For example, for that region that being locked down, the government has been delivering food and vegetables to them earlier, ahead of time, rather than lagging behind the curve. So this is something reassuring. I hope the infection cases in Beijing will be identified and put out as quickly as possible, causing less inconvenience to the residents. And I also hope people like me will fully support the health authorities. We know all these inconveniences are for the better good, for the greater good of the whole community in Beijing and for the rest of China.